Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well and staying productive. So let me guess, you are in the middle of working hard, maybe reading, writing emails, or brainstorming ideas. Then you glance at Microsoft Teams and your status is away. Frustrating, right? Especially when you are actually at your desk. This makes it seem like you are slacking when you are not. And in professional settings, appearances matter. But don't worry, today I've got you covered with working methods to keep your Microsoft Teams status always set to available, even when you are away from the keyboard or just not interacting with your computer. Whether you are working from home, managing a hybrid schedule, or just want to avoid awkward status confusion, this video is going to save you from those yellow away bubbles once and for all. Before we jump into the fixes, let's talk briefly about how Teams decides what your status should be. This helps us understand how to outsmart it. Here's how it works. Full, available, green when you are actively using your computer, like typing, moving the mouse, or interacting with apps. Away, yellow happens after around 5 minutes of inactivity or when your screen goes to sleep. Busy and do not disturb. These are manual settings you can apply whenever you need focus time. So our goal is simple: convince Teams that you are still there even when you are not actively moving your mouse. Let's go through 5 reliable methods that will do exactly that. Let's start with a simple and effective fix. Tweak your device power settings so that it doesn't go idle too quickly. Click the Start menu and select Settings. Select System, Power. Under both Screen and Sleep, set the time mark to Never or something long like 30 or 60 minutes. Pro tip: if you are using a laptop, adjust both battery and plugged-in settings. All right, now for the next method. This one is pretty clever. You can use a PowerShell script that simulates tiny bits of activity to fool your computer and Teams into thinking you're still working. Here is the full script you will need. Just make sure you are copying it correctly. Here it is. While true, and then enclose the subsequent script. Add -type-assembly name system.windows.forms, system.windows.forms.send keys, send wait, numlock inside parenthesis, then start -sleep, second 60, and below it is system.windows.forms.send keys, send wait, numlock inside parenthesis again, and start -sleep, second 60. So what does this do? It taps the numlock key on and off every 60 seconds. A harmless little nudge that keeps your system awake. To run it, open Notepad and paste the script. Save it as keepteamsactive.ps1. Right-click and choose Run with PowerShell. Important, you might need to allow script execution on your PC. And don't worry, numlock toggling doesn't interfere with your typing or apps. You won't even notice it. Another trick is to set a custom status message saying something like currently available but working in another window. Here is how. Click your profile picture in Teams, select Set Status Message, add your custom message, set it to expire in 1 day or a custom time frame. This doesn't keep the green dot permanently, but it helps communicate that you're still online even if Teams says away. If scripting isn't your style, don't worry, you can use a mouse jiggler instead. 2 types. Physical USB devices, plug it in, and it subtly moves your cursor every few seconds. Software mouse jigglers like Move Mouse or Mouse Jiggler apps. I recommend looking for software jigglers that include Zen Mode. This simulates mouse movement without actually moving your cursor, so it won't mess with your work. Just search for Mouse Jiggler download, then click the download button, install it, and click Zen Mode or Zen Jiggle. If you use 2 monitors, you can play a silent looping video on the second screen to help keep your system from going idle. Even something like a 10-hour silent YouTube video, this keeps the display active, which some systems interpret as usage. And there you have it, a full set of practical working methods to keep your Microsoft Teams status permanently green. Even when you're stepping away or deep in focus mode, whether you go with power settings, a script, or a mouse jiggler, now you have got some options. If this helped you out, smash that like button, share this with a friend or coworker who's always turning away by accident, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Got another trick that works for you? Drop it down in the comments. I'd love to feature some community tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.